Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to avoid saturated products on Amazon. Let's get started. Finding products that aren't oversaturated is the biggest challenge for Amazon sellers. When too many sellers are competing for the same customers, it drives prices down and makes it impossible to stand out. But there's a smarter way to find products using Sell the Trend's advanced filtering system. When you log into Sell the Trend, you'll discover their incredible Smart Hub, e-commerce. It's your all-in-one dashboard for everything e-commerce. This powerful platform gives you AI-powered product research capabilities and even lets you spy on any online store to see what's working for them. Here's how it helps you avoid saturated markets. First, you can filter products using their Nexus AI system to find proven winners while excluding oversaturated niches. The competition level filters show you exactly how many sellers are in each market, and their emerging trends feature helps you spot opportunities before they become crowded. You can also use their spy tools to analyze competitor stores and see which products are working in less competitive niches. The Ad Finder shows you what's trending on Facebook and TikTok, helping you identify products that are gaining popularity but haven't yet been discovered by the masses. The best part is that Sell the Trend connects you directly to all the major marketplaces, making it easy to source products that aren't already flooded on Amazon. It's everything you need to find your next bestseller, all in one place. You can try Sell the Trend completely free for 14 days using the link in the description below. This gives you full access to all their saturation filters and market analysis tools without any risk. Thanks for watching. If you want to avoid saturated markets and find better Amazon opportunities, use the link in the description to try Sell the Trend free for 14 days.